generation, the generation we've all come to know as the digital era. Just on Amber Group's vision, it is to enable global customers with the technology and platform to build their digital wealth and capture long-term value. A little bit about our organization. We are a global fintech unicorn backed by world-class investors. Since 2017, we've been delivering on our mission to generate value for our global institutional and retail clients, specifically in the digital asset sphere. We are a global team of 500 fintech specialists based in Asia, Europe, North America, and soon to be Latin America and Africa. We have a $1 billion valuation that we achieved as of this summer, and we have generated $500 million in wealth to our clients, serving over 1,000 different organizations. We started servicing multinationals, billion-dollar organizations, and family offices, and our client base continues to grow the world over. I think it's important to take a step back and really understand where we've come from and where we're going. Humans, as you know, are an intelligent species. We are innovators at heart, adapters to our environment. And so evolution is an inevitability in all aspects of our life. Take gold, for example. It has been a symbol of wealth and a store of value for a long time. It is now being replaced by Bitcoin. And it's not very difficult to see why that is the case. If you think about digital natives, Gen Zs, who are interacting socially on Instagram, they are buying online via e-commerce, and they are playing and earning real money on virtual games. It's difficult for them to understand how a non-permissionless, a non-interoperable, a non-programmable metal could potentially be more valuable than Bitcoin, which has the same qualities, if not better. And so what we're seeing is the financial infrastructure migrating. By design, it has to. It has to follow and lead. Money tends to be smart, and money tends to reward the brave. We've seen it with the change in currencies from shell money to fiat, metal, banknotes, and onto cryptocurrencies. And as a result, financial institutions have to evolve and adapt as well. We've seen that. We've gone from paper documents to mobile banking. This is part of that inevitable evolutionary migration that I just described. So I think if history has shown us anything, it is that if you bet against technology and progress, you will lose. And so if there's one message that I can convey to you today, is that it's this. Digital wealth will be the most important category of wealth in the future. Why is that? Let's think about it. If you look at blockchain technology and smart contracts, we've achieved something that we have never been able to achieve before, and that is trust at zero cost. Another really important reason, and it's been mentioned several times today already, is that the digital metaverse is here. It is a natural evolution again. We've come from Web 1.0 computing to Web 2.0, where we've seen new social interactivity online and new business models such as e-commerce. It is only natural that this progression would be taking place. And now we've seen the cryptocurrency market valued at 2.7 trillion and growing rapidly. NFTs have traded 18 billion in value as well. Those digital natives that I just described don't have a lot of wealth, but they're able to create a digital lifestyle and identity online where they are able to invest in digital assets and earn real money. You even see governments, for example, Nigeria, using CBDCs, asset-based tokens, for real estate. So this migration is happening, and it's happening very quickly. So as I talked about wealth being disrupted in the old world, I think, none of us are unfamiliar with the fact that legacy systems are currently crumbling. There is a lot of risk of hyperinflation in many countries around the world. We've seen it with excessive quantitative easing, which of course can give rise to asset bubbles and currency crises. Now, what's so exciting about digital assets is it's a much better way to build wealth. It is a much better way to invest, and it is a much better way to build a better life. We've already seen that with El Salvador, for example, adopting Bitcoin. And El Salvadorians are able to use this digital currency to pay for their utility bills, electricity, tuition, coffee. The point is, institutions are piling in as more and more opportunities present themselves, particularly, as also has been mentioned, financial inclusion, equal access, and equal opportunity that comes with digital assets. So as I mentioned, creating a better future for all means that, for example, you can earn a fair living at home. You don't have to travel or work abroad, for example. You can also use tokenized carbon credits to actually protect the environment and safeguard a future for everyone. And we've already seen that happening. Another important thing to emphasize is that the digital metaverse also is creating, better opportunities for everyone. And I think 2021 will be remembered as the year of the digital metaverse. What's really exciting with the NFT market, for example, is that it leads to better price transparency, price discovery, and a fairer marketplace for artists, musicians who want to be compensated for the work that they create that is traded in the digital realm. And of course, a company that no one's ever heard of, Facebook, has changed their name to Meta to symbolize their commitment to this exciting future that awaits us all. So what does the economy look like in the digital era? I think this is the $1 billion question everyone is wondering. And to me, what it really means is it's about you. You create, you invest, you save, you work, and you earn. And you're able to use that wealth that you have created for things that matter, whether it be health or family, culture. There is a real opportunity to leverage the digital assets infrastructure to create better wealth and future for yourself. So at Amber Group, we are your single platform to deposit digital currencies, to invest, to earn, and then to spend that in the digital universe. We already have 3 core lines of business: liquidity solutions, fixed income, and capital. And we are growing further, providing our clients with more and more different capabilities in the digital sphere. We have a product suite that caters to everything from novice digital investors to sophisticated digital investors, whether it be hedging requirements, the use of leverage, all of that we can facilitate easily. Our product suite includes an Amber app for retail customers, as well as a more sophisticated investment platform. You can access our traders 24/7 and transact with us over phone or voice as you choose. We also have a learning center within our platform for those who are unfamiliar with digital assets but want to have a much better understanding of where they should be positioned. And of course, with our advisory services, we can actually tell you how to diversify your basket of cryptocurrencies and how to mitigate volatility in the space. Security and tech are at the core of what we do. We have 350 dedicated engineers safeguarding your activities at all times. We are also very compliant. We take a very open and progressive approach to working with regulators across the world to ensure that all of our activities are up to regulatory requirements and in the spirit of the law. And of course, we couldn't do it without a world-class team. Our team has multiple decades of leadership experience working at some of the best institutions in the world, including Morgan Stanley, Santander, Goldman Sachs, for example, of which I am an alumna. I want to also emphasize that digital wealth and crypto is one part of the opportunity, but this is more about a lifestyle. This is about the future of how we will all be living. And so Amber does much more than just finance. It is a gateway really to a digital lifestyle that includes opportunities in arts and culture, ESG, social responsibility, tech, and innovation. I'll tell you a little bit about what I mean by that. Actions speak louder than words, we know that. So do good in the world while you earn. Amber is very pleased to announce our partnership with Moss, where we have tokenized over $2 million worth of carbon credits to offset cryptocurrency transactions, so our users can protect the earth while they are capturing investment gains. We also have a CreatorFi NFT platform in collaboration with TR Labs, We have facilitated and minted an NFT with famous Chinese artist Chai Guogong's NFT, which was sold recently. And we intend to invest further in the NFT and DeFi space. So I want to leave it at that. The future is here. We are Amber Group. We are your gateway to digital wealth creation through our product, our technology, and team. We believe the future of wealth will be built differently. So please come build with us. Thank you.